welcome back to the shop. It's another cold one. Today, the only goal we have is to rip the two front seats out of the car because Mike sold them. And that was the goal in the last video, to get the seats out, but we weren't able to get the seats out because we had no clue how the previous owner attached them to the car. They're like, the bolt is in the car, but the track goes over them and we can't get them out, so Mike says get the seats out in one piece, doesn't matter what happens to the car, so we may just take my favorite tool. We got the air compressor charged up, maybe we'll grind them out, but this is probably just gonna be a short, fun, destructive video, just get the seats out, so that's all we're doing today. So this is why we're having such a hard time, because somehow the previous owner was able to get that bolt in the track and we can't get that bolt backed out. So we're just gonna cut it out of the car. We're trying to cut it out of the car. Well, looks like we got it. Just had to cut up the floor. Alrighty, so we've succeeded in getting the passenger side out, and we just have to get the driver's seat out. And we've used pretty much all the power tools to get it out. We've used the Sawzall, we used the drill, sorry, reciprocating saw, it's a Makita. We've used the grinder. Mike, how's it looking over there?
Not good.
More fun?
Less space.
Less space. So, we got one more blade, and I don't know. So, at least we got more kerosene today. Alright. Well, it looks like we achieved our goal of removing the seats after getting our asses kicked and chopping up half the floor. But looks like Mike can go ahead and sell off these seats, and we can move on with the project. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, fuck.